Okay, here's an example of subtracting mixed numbers. I have 3 1/3 minus 2 7/9. With this, I would first want to rewrite the fractions or mixed numbers up and down vertically so that I can record the equivalent fractions next to them. So 3 1/3 minus 2 7/9. Okay. Now I do not have a common denominator. That's first and foremost with subtracting or adding fractions and mixed numbers. You must have a common denominator. So thirds and ninths, I know that I can take 3 and multiply it by 3 to equal 9. So I must multiply the numerator by 3 as well. And that would give me 3/9. Then my 7/9 will stay the same. Now I've got 3/9 minus 7/9, just the fraction portion. I cannot subtract that because 3 is smaller than 7. So this example I'm going to demonstrate how you can regroup or borrow. So I can take from the 3 and make it a 2, but I'm bringing one whole over to the 3/9. Well, that one whole I'm going to write as a fraction, and I'm going to make it ninths, so it's going to be 9/9. I'm going to actually add 3/9 plus the 9/9 to get me 12/9. Okay. Now the 12/9, I can now take 7/9 from it. So I subtract 7. 12 minus 7 is 5/9. I cannot forget about my whole numbers. In this case, they subtract each other. 2 minus 2 is 0, but oftentimes students forget about subtracting the whole numbers. So my answer is 5/9. That's using the regroup or borrow method. Oftentimes students have learned another way by taking 3 1/3 minus 2 7/9, and they just convert them to improper fractions totally. So 3 times the whole denominator times the whole number. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So this equals 10/3. And then 9 times 2 is 18, plus 7 is 25. And the denominator is 9ths. Now I don't have the same denominator, but I will convert 10/3 into 9ths again by multiplying 3 times 3 gets us 9. So 10 times 3 is 30. So I've got 30/9. Take away the 25/9. Now if I subtract that, I've got 5/9 as well. So there's two different ways you can subtract mixed numbers, either using the regroup or borrow method or using improper fractions. And that is how you would subtract mixed numbers.